So what is going on, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. If we have not yet met, my name is Peter Roberts. Now in today's video, I'm going to share with you how anyone can make an extra $1,000 per month mowing lawns in 2021. Now in this video, guys, I'm going to break down this low cost model, literally how you can start this business, how you can start making $1,000 per month with less than $200. And even better, it doesn't matter if you have a truck, if you have no equipment. This is the step-by-step beginner's guide on how you can make $1,000 per month mowing lawns. Let's get it. So jumping into this video, if you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, go ahead and smash this subscription button, as well as make sure you leave a like below if it provides you with any value. I want to help you on your journey of making money, making an extra $100, $200, $300 a day with this model of mowing lawns in the summer. Now for me, guys, I literally started my first lawn care business as a teenager with this model, and I'm going to share with you guys exactly how you can do it. From going out, getting your first 7 customers. Yes, you only need 7 customers to make $1,000 per month mowing lawns. How to source, how to find your equipment, how to get great customers, and more importantly, guys, the math behind how you can hit this goal of making $1,000 per month. One of the best ways that I think anyone can start making extra income in your life, and more importantly, once you'll realize this, that you can actually launch a full business from this model. If you want to start a lawn care company, if you want to start a landscaping model, this is literally the beginning guide of how you can do this. 7 lawns will change your life, make you an extra $1,000. So let's jump into this video. So the first thing, guys, I want to jump into is how can you source your products? Now you need to provide some type of service, which means that you need to go out there and start getting the equipment, provide this service. Now there's 2 different ways that I did and 2 different ways that you can start this journey of first making this $1,000. Now you have to find a way to get your hands on the equipment. Now in a second here, I'm going to walk you guys through the easiest way how you can start this journey with less than $200, so to get everything you need to start making money, as well as another way that you can get started for free. The first free way that I did, and I would suggest for you to go ahead and do, is asking a friend to borrow their equipment. Now you probably have no customers right now. In a second you will, but you have 0 customers. So if you don't have to spend money, why would you want to go ahead and spend money? So either ask a friend, ask a neighbor, ask your uncle, your grandfather if you can borrow their lawnmower, their weed whacker, their push mower, whatever they got, and just get started on this journey. Now, if they feel reluctant, if they feel hesitant on giving up their equipment, well, you say, hey, how about this? I'll go out there, let me use your equipment. I have these customers. I will give you a fee every day. I'll give you 50, 20 bucks every day to use your equipment. Now, once you make your first sale, make your first money, save your money and go out there and invest in new equipment so you don't have to pay them anymore. Now, the second way I'm going to jump into is the best way that you can start this business, that you can start this process of making money through this service, is getting equipment through Facebook Marketplace. So I'm going to walk you guys through exactly how you can do it. So jumping into the Facebook Marketplace portal, you're going to go out there and find a used lawnmower. So as you can see, once you're in Facebook Marketplace, you're just going to look for lawnmowers in your area. And as you can see, you can find some pretty sick push mowers. All you need is a push mower for less than $100. So what you're going to do is find a mower like this. This one is $40, pay $9 for shipping, and you can get one of these mowers. And this is literally all you need. As long as it works, as long as it cuts grass, you are on your way to hit this goal of $1,000. Now, if you want to spend like $100, you can go through and find a better push mower. But as you can see, there are a lot of used options that will allow you to just get started on this journey. And the second piece of equipment that you need is a weed whacker. So what you're going to do is do the same process, Facebook Marketplace, search for a weed whacker for you. And I would recommend to use a gas-powered weed whacker. Don't get one of those electric trimmers. It's going to save you a lot of time, a lot of money, and help you on this journey of growing this business. So as you can see here, click this one, $100 to get started with your weed whacker. So now that you have a push mower, now that you have a weed whacker, if you want to spend an extra money, you can go out there and get a little blower, you can use a broom, and you can go out there and find a wagon. Like I said, you do not need a truck. Now here is the most important part. How can you get customers? So I'm going to jump into how you can find your first 7 customers within walking distance, within you not using a vehicle to start making money. So the first place I'm going to share, and probably the best place for you to grow, get your first customers, guys, I wish more people did this, is go to the Nextdoor app. And as you can see right here, we are logging into the Nextdoor app. Now this is a community app, people in your area that need your service. Well, if you're doing power washing, painting, you will find people in your neighborhood within 1 to 2 miles, less than a mile, that live around you that are searching for someone to cut their grass. So let me walk you through the process. All right, now, so once you're on the Nextdoor app, let's get some customers. So as you can see, once you've created your profile, what you're gonna do is search in the top mowing. All you're gonna look is search for mowing. Now what you're gonna do is find neighbors in your community that have requested, or they said, hey, I'm looking for someone to cut my grass. So literally you don't have to find one. You are literally connecting yourself with someone that needs your service. So you're going to go to posts, and then you're going to scroll through all these listings. Lawn care, as you can see, lawn care service, lawn care. Literally what you're going to do is, number one, is create a posting. So what you're going to say: hi, my name is Peter, username. I'm a local teenager. I'm looking to help some neighbors in the area. I'm growing my lawn service. If anyone is interested in having their property service, we do mowing, we do edging, we do a full service, and I promise I will not disappoint. Leave your number below. Let me know if you like my service. Now what you're going to do is wait for that post to go out there. Leave this message directly on this platform. People are going to reach out to you and say, hey, can you come over? Can you give me an estimate? And you're good to go. Now, after you create the post, the second thing you want to do is go through what I just talked about. Find the customers, DM them, speak to them directly, and see if you can come over and give them a quote. Now, the second place that you're going to utilize to get customers, your first 7, literally all you need is 7, is Facebook. What you're going to do is either join Facebook groups. You're going to have your mom, your friends, or dads, or you're going to even go out there, take a video of yourself, and start posting or letting people know that you are taking on customers to start this lawn care service. That, hey, I'm a teenager, that I'm trying to make an extra few bucks. If there's anybody in the neighborhood that needs help, I can be the guy. You're going to be incredibly shocked to see how many people in your neighborhood that will want to help you, how many family members will share this message, how many people around you be willing to say yes. So with these 2 simple platforms, I will guarantee that you'll find your first 5 customers. Now here's what you're going to do to find those last 2 customers. Especially if you're young, you will convert this, crush this out of the park, because people want to help young, motivated people. So what I would do is walk around the neighborhood and start knocking on doors. Don't be afraid to get turned down. Find a lawn in your neighborhood that looks very overgrown. They're going to knock on the door and say, hey ma'am, hey sir, I noticed your property is a little long. Is there any way that I can help cut it? I would love to help you guys out. And right then and there, from knocking on doors, from the Nextdoor app, from using Facebook and Facebook groups, you are going to land your first 7 customers, and you are on your way to start making money, that $1,000 goal, mowing lawns. The third thing I want to talk about, guys, is the metrics behind how can you actually do this. So you have the customers, you have the equipment. Peter, how does this all work? So what you're going to do is make sure you set the right price. Without the right price, you can't make money. So what you're going to do is make sure you do not charge anything less than $40. Now here's the math behind this. So you're going to charge $40 per lawn. You have 7 lawns to do, which means you can mow 1 lawn every day, 7 days a week, or find a system or schedule to mow those 7 lawns within a week. Find whatever works best for you. There's no tell all be all type deal when it gets done. What you want to do is make sure that you set these people to a 7 to 10 day schedule. In order for you to hit this goal, you have to show up either weekly or every 7 to 10 days. Don't do bi-weekly, don't do every 2 weeks, because guess what? You're not going to hit this goal. You're going to make less money. And typically people would want their grass cut every 7 to 10 days. It's a little trick that I learned that will allow you to make more money within your business. So as you can see, if you're doing the 7 lawns at $40 per lawn, well, guess what? You're going to make your $280 per week. Guess what? You just made $280 per week. Now you're going to do this every week, 7 to 10 days, which means times that by 4 weeks in the month, and check this out, $1,120 mowing lawns, all from just 7 customers. Which means, guys, let's say you have expenses, you have a few fees and gas, all that good stuff. Let's subtract the $120. Well, guess what? You've just made $1,000 mowing lawns. So guys, literally from starting and finding the equipment, going out there sourcing the customers, which is the most important part, setting these customers on a weekly schedule, 7 to 10 days, charging a minimum of $40, doing this lawn care service every week, times that by 4 weeks, well, you have just made $1,000, and you have just made $1,000 without even spending over $250 to get started. So guys, this is a simple beginner's guide on how anyone can start making money mowing lawns. A great side hustle, a great way to make extra cash in your life, a great way for you to pay for your bills. So whatever you're going through, guys, don't underestimate the power of service. Be able to help other people, get rewarded financially, and more importantly, help earn some extra money in your life. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you have not yet subscribed, we talk all things finance, business, side hustles, and more importantly, just self-growth and how to become that entrepreneur that you've always dreamed of. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you in the next video. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, or any video ideas, make sure you leave them below. I'm always here to be open, and more importantly, I want to give you guys value or knowledge with whatever you are struggling with. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Cheers. Peace out.